Okay, it's officially 2026 and now it's easier than ever to make money online. Am I center? Do I look stupid? A little bit? Okay. It's officially 2026 and now it's easier than ever to make money online. Whether you're creating your own app, starting your own business, or creating content and doing UGC, there are so many avenues and ways to completely change the trajectory of your life just by applying some effort and time. I've tried multiple different ways to make money online, and this year I'm going all in on content. In the past, I've tried content before, but my issue was always consistency. It was never that I didn't know how to edit videos or record them right. It was because I would set time aside, but then when I would come sit down, I would never know what to record. I had trouble figuring out exactly what would get attention and go viral. So I decided to fix that. Just track us. Can you see me? Track me. Let's track. Can track it. Track. Here we go. It's tracking me. So basically, I created a brand new tool for myself that this year I'm going to use to go all in on my content. So basically, the tool is going to allow me to repurpose viral videos that are using a certain formula to go viral, to match my brand and my content, so that I can consistently have no excuses anymore to not post. Chase, what are you doing? I realized that a lot of the viral videos that go viral follow the same format, and I was like, why not just steal it instead of trying to start from scratch? I made it so that I could upload the videos to the tool as well and post them to every single platform at once. So there's no more excuses for me to not go all in this year. I removed all the friction necessary. So now I have ideas that are posted to all platforms, and I have one thing, and that's no more excuses. They're even gonna post LinkedIn, X/Twitter as text posts as well. So literally across all platforms, I should be covered. So you might as well follow now if you're interested in seeing how my content progresses throughout the year and getting more tips and tricks. And if you want access to this tool, let me know. Comment the word viral down below and I'll set you up for free. Let's all go viral together.